Hello students, welcome to the next video lecture of data structure. In previous lecture, we have studied stack and its operations. Stack have mainly two operations, push and pop. Push operation will add something into the stack and pop operation will delete from the stack. In addition, we have studied that in stack we can add or remove items into a simple manner, like it will be in LIFO manner. LIFO means last in, first out. Also, we have discussed that it can be also a first in, last out. So, in that, pop operation will remove something and push operation will add something. So for that we have an variable that was a top. If we want to perform push operation, then our top will become top plus 1, means addition into a top, and at that position we have to save our item. If we want to delete something, means if we want to perform pop operation on the stack, then our top will be top minus 1, means decrement into top's value. So in this video lecture we will see examples which are frequently asked into GTU questions. So for that we will take an example in which we will perform push operation certain times and also perform pop operation certain times. So at the last, where is the top, means top's value, and the topmost element of stack will be our answer. So let's take an example. For example, we want to add 10, 20, 30, 40, and also want to delete that item, but in a manner. Means first perform push operation 10, then perform pop operation, then perform push operation 20, push operation 30, again pop operation. So our stack is empty, means our top is equal minus 1. In that condition our stack will be empty. We want to add something, means push 10. So for pushing something we have to increment top, so our top will become 0 and our value is 10. So stack's first element will be 10. Next operation is pop. So pop operation will delete the item which is 10 and also decrement the top, means again top will become minus 1, 0 to minus 1. Third operation is push 20. So push operation will increase top's value, means top will become minus 1 to 0 and our value is 20. So our element will be 20. At the 0 index we will have 20 numbers element. Next operation is push 30. So in that push operation will increase the top's value, means value will be 1 and value of the stack will be 30. Again our next operation is pop. So pop will delete the item, means this 30, and also decrements the top, so top's value will become again 20. Sorry, top's value will become again 0 and element will be 20. So after performing these operations, means after performing push 10, pop, push 20, push 30 and pop, after performing this operation, our final answer is top's value is 0 and elements of stack is 20. So this type of questions frequently asked into GTU questions. So you have to practice different questions like this. I will send different questions into question bank. So you have to prepare such questions answer. Okay. So I hope you will get different question and solve by yourself. So this is it by me for the this video lecture. Thank you, students.